Hi everyone. Today we are going to understand about another motivational theory which falls under content theories of motivation called ERG theory. So ERG theory has been proposed by Adolfo. ERG theory has three basic categories: existence needs, relatedness needs, and growth needs. That's called ERG, existence, relatedness, and growth. So let's observe what all needs comes under each of this category. Existence refers to basic material existence requirement, similar to Maslow's physiological and safety needs. Basic needs of a human being, which are the primary requirements we all strive to achieve in our lives, in our careers. Basic need of basic shelter, food, water, and basic resources, and safety, a safe environment to live and work. Now comes relatedness. Relatedness refers to the desire for maintaining interpersonal relationships, similar to Maslow's social love need, external needs of esteem need, wherein we all want to be associated, want to have bonding in our work as well as in our personal life. So that is the social need of relatedness. Third one is growth. Growth is the desire for personal development. We want to achieve more. We want to achieve our full potential in life. Self-actualization of Maslow. These are the three categories of needs covered under Adolfo's ERG theory. Okay, now let's look into the difference between Maslow's need hierarchy theory and Adolfo's ERG theory. These two are similar. Then what is the difference? What is that area which Adolfo has been suggested, which was not included in Maslow's theory? Okay, Maslow mentioned that we need to achieve each category of need, and a human being achieve basic need, lower order need, and he moves on to the higher order needs. So that's why there is a hierarchy, a pyramid. You start from first and you move towards the levels. So it's a hierarchy and there is a need progression. Whereas in ERG theory, Adolfo mentioned about something called regression, frustration, regression, which was missing or which was not mentioned in Maslow's concept of need hierarchy theory. Okay, what is need regression or what is frustration regression? That's if a higher order need is frustrated or an individual was not capable of achieving a higher order need, then he gets frustrated and then he seeks to increase the satisfaction of a lower order need. That means if a person couldn't achieve a need, a lower order need or a higher order need, he may progress or he may regress to previous needs levels if the higher order need are not satisfied. That's called frustration regression. So make it simple. For example, a person was not able to achieve growth needs of self-esteem or self-actualization. That category. So what he will do? He will try to stay in relatedness need. Okay. And for example, if the person tried to achieve relatedness need of bondings in the society, this need of association, he couldn't achieve. So what he will do in this? Instead of the hierarchy of progression, the person will come back to existence need. So a person may move to higher level needs without satisfying the lower level needs. Okay, so he may not satisfy existence needs. Still, he can go directly to related needs as per ERG theory, which was not possible in Maslow's theory concept. And he or she may regress to previous needs level if the higher level needs are not satisfied. So let's conclude. Adolphus ERG theory is again a content theory of motivation, which is very similar to Maslow's need hierarchy theory. The only difference is Adolfo has added on two concepts, which is need progression and need regression or frustration regression. Thank you so much.